Hello everyone, welcome back to another part. So in this part I'm going to teach you how to insert door and window from the CAD library. So this is going to be just a simple part. So the same steps that we did previously, you have to go to the CAD library. Okay, for example, let us choose the item first. I want to insert the door over here. So I'm going to take a 900 mm width door. That is a basic door. So go over here and then find the door that you need. So it's okay to choose any of the door as long as the size is correct. So we can always rotate the door afterwards. Alright, so I'm taking this one. Control C. Alright, and then Control V. Okay. Alright, but before that I just want to inform you that I have added some of the walls based on the previous tutorial video. So I try to use furniture items to estimate the dimension of the spaces. So for this area I'm going to put a wardrobe. So I just put the wardrobe first and then I estimate the size using that furniture. Right, so now going back to this door. So now we have copied the door. Now I need to change this one into window and door layer, and make sure that this is set to by layer so that the line weight is correct. And then turn this one into a block, enter, and then you can name it D900, door 900 mm, and then click this one to open in block editor, or you might not click this one. We just do like this first. Okay, and then let's move this one to here. If you notice, this door frame is actually exceed the lines a bit, so we need to change this one, and this is supposed to be a hidden lines. So what you have to do is double click here and then click OK, so that it will open a block editor. So what you need is to change this one to 1000, the size of your wall. So I'm taking the measurement over here. So now it's 150, but our wall is 140. So what I'm going to do is to move this one 10 mm inside. So delete this one. Okay, so move this one and this one inside a bit, 10 mm. Okay, and then you can trim this one. Okay, then trim. So try to get used to using commands so it's easy for you to do your job. And this one I need to change it to this layer, and it's supposed to be hidden lines. Okay, so again I can type properties. So click this one and change the line type scale. Sorry, too big, 20. Okay, now this one is just nice. Okay, once you're done, you can close the block editor and make sure to click save the changes. So now your door becomes nicer. Okay, so if it's this way, trim this area. We need to cut this wall. So trim and choose the boundary like that, and then space. You might need to repeat this instruction a few times because I need to make this video faster so that it's include in 15 minutes. Right, so now we have a door over here, and The next door is the toilet door. I want a slightly smaller door because it's just for toilet. Okay, maybe just use 760. Ctrl C. So this is the standard based on common practice. So we can copy here. So again, I just want to make sure that the size is correct. Ctrl C. Again, Ctrl V over here, and then select this one, change this to window and door, and then turn it into a block, and D76D. Right, click OK, and then double click, and then click OK to edit the blocks. Okay, again move this one 10 mm. And trim. So this one just remain, and then this line change to go back to home, and then change to hidden lines. Select the layer first. Okay, change this one to hidden lines, and then type properties, and just now we use 20. Alright, once you're done, close the block editor and then save the changes. Okay, now you have a proper door, so move this one over here. Okay, make sure you put the lines accurately on this line. So I'm going to make this door open to this side instead, because I want it to have a clear circulation over here. So trim the lines of the wall. Okay, so that's it. Alright, now the second one is another door over here. Okay, so I need the door to be the center of this portion. So what I'm going to do is I need to make a line over here. Okay, and then create another line. This is because I need to find a middle point. So from this line, I'm going to take the center of this point. Okay, and enter. So this is how you create the lines, reference lines, so that it's easy for you to position your items. Okay, so this one I'm going to delete first. Right, so my door will be somewhere over here, but I'm going to use a simple sliding door. So I'm going to search for sliding door. Maybe you can use something like this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So change this one to door and window. Okay, I just want to leave only, so I'm going to delete this part. So my door will be something like this only. Okay, alright, and then turn this one into a block. And DS for door sliding. I forgot to check the dimensions, so just click OK. Right, and then RO. Okay, I want this, it's going to be like this. So I'm going to mirror this one and delete the source of object. So I want this part to slide over here, like this one. It's going to slide from here to here, like that. So copy this one and try to put at the center of this line. Okay, but somehow when I slide this door, it's not going to open nicely. I want it to just stop over here. Okay, and I want to adjust this one. Okay, so try to adjust the position or just make this thing a bit smaller. So if you want to make this thing a bit smaller, okay, let's check the size first. 900. So why don't we change this one to 700 and 700 instead? So I'm going to move this one 200 to this side and this one also, except for this one. So I'm going to move this one 200 mm. Right, and this part also I need to move it to 200 mm so that it becomes same size with this one. Sorry, some items require your understanding in mathematics as well. Okay, so now I think plus minus something like this, and then just click close block editor, save the changes. Okay, so now I get a smaller size of door. So I'm going to move this one to this position. Alright, more like this. Okay, I want this door to be here, so align with this line. But I want this door to be slightly inside the frame, I mean inside the door lines, and I'm going to cut this wall following this line. So the wall should stop until here. Sorry, and I need to create another wall symmetrical to this one. So you use this one and use the mirror function and take this line. Sorry, it's not really straight. Okay, so perhaps you just take this one. This is just a fast method. Sorry, I need to mirror this one. Mirror, and take these lines and then click erase source of object. No. Right, now we have these two lines just trim the wall. Okay, right, and then match properties. So that's how you do a sliding door. You need an opening, and if you don't want a frame, also can. Depends on the sliding door design. So mine have no frames. I just have the track on top of it. And then I just want to put another stopper over here. Okay, so that is for the door. I'm going to create another tutorial video for window, so stay tuned.